What if I told you the bread you eat every single day isn't really bread anymore? And the real bread, the kind humans survived on for over 5,000 years, almost disappeared. No factories, no instant yeast, no shortcuts. Just flour, water, and time. This is sourdough, a kind of bread that isn't just made, but slowly comes alive. Today, we're going to uncover the story of sourdough bread. Welcome to Stories of Simple Things, where ordinary things reveal extraordinary histories. And today, we're exploring something that looks simple on the outside, but carries thousands of years of human survival, science, and tradition. Thousands of years ago, in ancient Egypt, a simple accident changed history forever. A mixture of flour and water was left out in the open, and wild yeast from the air settled into it. Slowly, the dough began to rise. No one added anything, nature did all the work. That moment marked the birth of sourdough. For centuries, this was the only way bread was made. From Europe to the countryside of the UK, to early American settlers carrying their starters across oceans, sourdough wasn't just food, it was survival. People didn't fully understand it, but they trusted it with their lives. What makes sourdough different is that it's alive. Inside the dough, there's a living culture of wild yeast and bacteria working together. Over hours, sometimes even days, they slowly break down the flour in a process called fermentation. This makes the bread easier to digest, lowers its impact on blood sugar, and unlocks nutrients your body couldn't access before. That slight tangy taste isn't just flavor, it's science working in your favor. But in the 20th century, everything changed. Speed became more important than quality. Factories needed bread fast, so commercial yeast and additives took over. Bread that once took days to make was now ready in just a few hours. It became softer, more convenient, but also less real. The slow, natural process of sourdough was left behind. Today, sourdough is making a comeback. Across the US and UK, artisan bakers are bringing it back not as a trend, but as a return to something real. People are choosing slower food, cleaner ingredients, and flavors that actually mean something, because sometimes the old ways were better. So the next time you pick up a loaf of bread, ask yourself, is it just bread? Or is it something that's been alive for thousands of years? If you enjoyed this story, make sure to subscribe to Stories of Simple Things. And tell me in the comments, what simple thing should we uncover next?